Hello YouTube, Chachi is back with another great video, and today's video is about how to reset the Adobe Premiere Pro in Windows and Mac operating systems. So you want to reset your Adobe Premiere Pro because of different reasons. So let us see first on Windows operating system. So to reset the Adobe Premiere Pro on Windows, here to show you an example, I turned it on the on-screen keyboard, but it's not necessary. Just to show you what key you will click when you are resetting. You can use your external keyboard or your laptop keyboard, Alt. Just click the Alt and as well as the Adobe Premiere Pro. So here I click Alt and here I'm going to click the Adobe Premiere Pro to reset it. So we are going to wait some minutes until the Adobe Premiere Pro will open. Then it will show us the resetting pop-up. So here the Adobe Premiere pop-up appeared. Are you sure you want to reset your preference? Then select OK. Then it will reset all your preferences. So I'm going to click OK. So here the Adobe Premiere opened, and as you can see here, it's all resetted. All the preferences are resetted. So now let's see for the Mac operating system. For Mac operating system, what makes it different? You are going to click the option button instead of the Alt and the Adobe Premiere. So when you click option plus Adobe Premiere Pro, it will show you the reset option. Then you can select yes, and also you can reset your Adobe Premiere preferences. So this is all about how we can reset your Adobe Premiere Pro on Windows and Mac operating system. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just take out.